So moving on to the next concept, this is one of the most important concept in your syllabus, Karnaugh map. You can expect minimum of 10 to 15 marks question from this particular concept. So most important, guys. Okay. So basically, first we need to know why do we need this Karnaugh map? Okay. What is the basic need of this Karnaugh map? So far we have discussed regarding sum of product and product of sum, right? So look at here. Look at this expression. Y is equal to a bar b bar c bar plus a bar b plus c bar plus a b bar c bar plus a b c bar. So they will give an expression like this, okay? The expression will be like this. So if you want to construct a circuit for this expression, for this Boolean expression, so you need to make use of how many gates? You need 1, 2, 3, 4 AND gates. You need 4 AND gates, okay? And how many OR gates? 1, 2, 3. 3 OR gates you need. So totally you need 4 AND gates and 3 OR gates. So totally 7 gates you need, okay, to construct this circuit for this expression. This is one small expression, okay? So you may come across the expression in such a manner bigger enough, like it starts from year, like starting from year to year, like such a big expression, okay? In such a time, in such a manner, what you are supposed to make use of so many expressions. So many circuits. So many gates, okay? So in order to overcome that problem, what we do is we simplify the expression first. We will simplify this expression by using various laws. So like we apply. Wait a minute. Like this, we apply these sort of formulas, laws like distributive law, associative law, duality theorem, and all those things. You keep on applying those laws and reduce the expression size. The size of the expression will be reduced. So if you reduce such a big expression size into smaller, so then what it can be done? Like you make use of lesser number of gates to construct a circuit, okay? If the expression is bigger, you need more number of circuits. If the expression is smaller, then you need less number of circuits to construct a circuit, less number of gates to construct a circuit. So in order to simplify that particular Boolean expression, you need to apply various sort of laws. So okay, the thing is, rather than applying those laws, so you can make use of this K-map, Karnaugh map. This is one of the method where this is going to simplify the given Boolean expression into smaller, reduced form. So once the expression is reduced, so you can make use of that reduced expression to construct a circuit which may consume lesser number of gates. That is why we make use of K-map. We normally call it as a K-map. It's the full form is Karnaugh map, okay? Okay, look at this. We have 2 variable K-map, 3 variable K-map and 4 variable K-map. So there is 5 variable K-map also there, but you can't for your syllabus you cannot expect a problem from 5 variable K-map. You can expect a problem from 2 variable or 3 variable or 4 variable K-map. So what is this 2 variable K-map? What is this 3 variable K-map? And what is this 4 variable K-map? First thing, when you listen 2 variable K-map, keep it in mind 2 to the power of 2 is 4, okay? So it's the K-map 4 and the K-map should start from 0 to 13. So they will give an expression like this. So the question in your exam will be in such a manner. So simplify the given Boolean expression by using, or simplify the given expression by using K-map. Okay, that's it. Simplify the given Boolean expression by using K-map. They will give the expression like this, and you are supposed to simplify this expression by using K-map. That's it. So first, when they are not going to specify whether it is 2 variable or 3 variable or 4 variable, okay? Sometimes they do, sometimes they won't do, okay? First thing is you need to make sure that whether it is 2 variable K-map or 3 variable K-map or 4 variable. How to make it, how to find out? So as I just told, when it is 2 variable K-map, that is 2 to the power of 2 is 4. It starts from 0 to 4. So whatever the numbers which lies within this bracket, look at this. The numbers which lies within this bracket should be less than 3. Should be less than 3. If then all the numbers which comes within the bracket is less than 3 or 3, then I can tell it as it's a two variable K-map, because two variable K-map, the maximum number that can lies within the bracket is 3. 2 to the power of 2 is 4, it starts from 0 to 3, so you can expect numbers within the bracket like 0, 1, 2, 3. Only the 4 numbers you can expect. If you find like only those numbers, then only I can tell it as this is a two variable K-map. So coming with a 3 variable, 2 to the power of 3 is nothing but 8, 0 to 7. If the numbers within bracket is 0 to 7, the numbers which lies within the brackets are 0 to 7, so then I can tell it is a 3 variable K-map. 0 to 7, up to 7, not 8, okay? Up to 7, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So then I can tell it as it's a 3 variable K-map. So coming with a 4 variable, 2 to the power of 4 is 16, start from 0 to 15. So it can start from 0 to 15, up to 15, not more than 15. So any number up to 15. So I can tell it as 4 variable K-map. So now tell me, which variable K-map is this? 0 is there, 4 is there, 6 is there, 7 is there. So as I just told, so the number within the bracket should be, if it is less than 4, then it's a 2 variable K-map. If it is less than 8, then it is a 3 variable K-map. If this is less than 16, then it is a 4 variable K-map. Look at these numbers, 0, 4, 6, 7. These, the numbers lies less than 8, right? But still, you can see here, how many variables are here? We have 4 variables, A, B, C, D. 4 variables. They only explicitly specify, they only explicitly given the 4 variables, A, B, C, D. When they give explicitly like this, you are quite understood that this is 4 variable K-map. Because there are 4 variables, they only specified A, B, C, D. So you are supposed to, by default, you are supposed to make use of 4 variable K-map, even though the numbers within the brackets are less than 15. So 4 variable K-map means you should have the numbers less than 15. Right? All these numbers are less than 15, right? So there is no rule like less than 15 means it should be more than 8. There is no compulsory rule like the number should be more than 8. Okay. So here we have the numbers like 9, 10, 11, 12. That is fine. But if there are numbers within the bracket is less than 7, that's also fine. Not a problem. So A, B, C, D means 4 variables. So by default it is understood that it's a 4 variable K-map. 4 variable K-map ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಂಬರ್ಸು 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ 0 to 7 ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇರಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 15, 16, 17 ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. 0 ಇಂದ 15 ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವುದರ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದು 4 ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ K-ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಸ್ A, B, C, D. ಸೊ A, B, C, D ಅಂತ ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ಸೊ ಇವೊಂದು ದ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಲೈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 8 ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದು 4 ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ K-ಮ್ಯಾಪೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಸೊ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್? 3 ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 3 ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ K-ಮ್ಯಾಪ್. ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಲೈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 4. ಸೊ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 4 ಇದೆ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇದು 2 ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ K-ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ದೇ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫೈಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ 3 ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್. ಸೊ ದ ರೂಲ್ ಈಸ್ 3 ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ K-ಮ್ಯಾಪಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 7 ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 0. 7ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ತಪ್ಪಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಅವನೇ 3 ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಲೈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 7 ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್ 5, 6, 7 ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಲೈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 7. ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಎನಿ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ದೇ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫೈಡ್ 3 ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ 3 ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ K-ಮ್ಯಾಪ್. Here they have specified 4 variables, so it's a 4 variable K-ಮ್ಯಾಪ್. So when they have given like the variables like this, don't worry about these numbers. Okay, don't worry about these numbers. This is 4 variable K-ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ and this is 3 variable K-ಮ್ಯಾಪ್. But if they don't specify these variables, if they give the expression in like this, ಈ ಥರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ you need to look after the numbers, whether the numbers lies less than 4, whether the numbers lies less than 8, or whether the numbers lies less than 16. So less than 16 ittu andre less than 16 and numbers greater than 7 ittu andre is a 4 variable K-ಮ್ಯಾಪ್. ಈ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿರೋ ನಂಬರ್ಸು, if you find the numbers within the bracket which are greater than 0 to all the numbers from 0 to 15 and also the numbers from greater than 7, then it is a 4 variable K-map. If you find the numbers within the bracket which is start from 0 to 7 and more than 4 also, then it is a 3 variable K-map. If you find the numbers within the bracket which lies less than 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, then it's a 2 variable K-map. Okay.